here to discuss about 8085 microprocessor assembly language programming. As part of today, we are discussing how to add two numbers in 8085 microprocessor. For that, first we will have to enter the data to the registers. So MVI. MVI instruction stands for move instruction. Here we are moving the values to direct to the instructions itself. And for adding we need two numbers. So we will add two numbers. Here H stands for hexadecimal value. 30 hexadecimal value will be stored in the register B. Here BC is a register pair and A and PWS was the register pair. DF and is DE was a register pair. LF HL was a register pair. SP was a register pair. And PC was a program counter. And here to store the register or the carry, we need a one variable. So we are declaring C with a 00H. Now add B stands for we are adding the element B to the register A. It wasn't default. Here it stands for A equal to A plus B. And then if after the addition there may be a possibility of a carry. So we will check for jump no carry. JNC stands for jump no carry. If jump no carry, then go to the loop, or else increment the carry part. INCR stands for increment. If no carry, then we should have to just store the value to the approximate memory addresses. So I am storing STA. STA stands for store at address. Store to address. STA 001 H was the address. So here it will be stored 001 and we will move A comma C. In the sense the value C will be moved to A and then we will store this carry into 000 H. So let us have a quick run on this. Yeah, 00C has been stored, which was a value of this program. Now let us have C. Now A has 02 and then after executing the B register contains 30 and then after the applying the C always already contains C, so 0. So after the adding, if you observe the A register, it was 32. Now jump loop, like 32 doesn't has the carry, so it has been jump and the jump value will be stored. Here you can able to see 32 value and that's it. Our program has been ended. At the last you can able to, for the good practices, you can able to write a halt. Thank you all.